তিনি chini TTA sa hapang ibu hakte saklaimong tai logibo tongo chini press meet khlaitani chini honorable EM barmana Rajesh Tipra te chini honorable MDC chini South Juni chairman barmana Deputy Tipra te chini sports and youth affairs department ni chini principal officer barmana Debbarma Pulano Sakleng Mutongai, Chini Didi Hapang, Chini Boba Grand Belakan Hambai, Omake initiative Kaham Nawe, Chini Sigla Salan Tidulman Bagay, they Chini Honorable CM, Honorable Deputy CM, they jot the EM, they jot the Chini MDC, jot Tony support by Chini Tipra Football League success Klaimanka, they are only final match 15 तारिख नि दुईटा तामफ्रो खोमलुङ स्टेडियम थंजागनाय थांनाय रावनि बिसिं दलनि इंखा चिनि गुमटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट नि टीम बाय चिनि वेस्ट जोन बरक बादायलायनाय दाय थर्ड पोजिशन दंगरखा एबा थंगाय खुप्लायगा थर्ड पोजिशन बागै चिनि दलाय ओके आज आगो स्पेशल गेस्ट नि फाइमाजो फाइनाय Chini Indian football team captain, former captain, Mr. Baichung Butia, Hai Chini Pandano Masaki Fine, Taibotonai Chini Hani Boagra, Maharaja, Sri Pradip Vikramaniko Debbarma, Bobologi Tonai, they Joto Chini Tipra Hasan Lukorabno, Kakaham, they Joto Chini Thwng Eva Dolini Chini players or no, Hani Kakaham. Barang bagai cunti dia sa hapang ni kami apa horo narak kaham kurang kai practice kelai final match narak tai barang kurang kok no phone di tai first prize tongnai chini kuplai rano 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 1.5 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 kai opang ta phaiman jar phagai hasti ni jo to chini thung hangja tongnai chini jo to lukurang no khabai nam sogo cunti dia sa hapang ni hamai Next, sing this weekly pattern. Agar chini committee samjaka, gaza go chini hospitality management, chini medical team thum, chini volunteers, naikoli chini pandang naithur nai on bagi chini job to bede ni eba department bakati, chini kaisa committee pelajaka, or committee wo chini bo Abo EM Bobo MDC Chairman Sibo Tongnai President Sibo Tongnai Abu Joto Chung Committee Bukakri Abu Kaisa Phong Klaisaka
Abuno Kare final match ni sala kuno apte hai chamung hai ka ba announcement of Klaisaka abai bo hai kina
acha Abun ke chini awi mung be ta bunong ni bukakti chini media long bukakti ba awi mung Tongnai ta abun ya bulo chini ICAT department bukakti Abu Tongnai Abon ya ulo chini resam masam chini culture pan team bor batong nai nge lama chini flags banner over bojan theba janai First of all, I would like to thank my dear friends, and today we conduct a press meet on behalf of TTADC. Then first of all, I'm really thankful to Bubagra. Then our honorable CM, honorable deputy CM, all EMs and all MDCs for their support and guidance which have made the Tipra Football League successful. And the final match of the league will be played on 15/12/2021, where our former Indian national football team captain Sri Baichung Butia and Bubagra will grace the special occasion. Final match Gumati versus West June. I invite everyone to come and be part of the exciting match and occasion. Thank you, everyone.